Hello and welcome back to your own channel Indian Defense Analysis, where we bring to you all the latest development happening in the defense sector. Seacat Jaguar is an Anglo-French jet attack aircraft used by Indian Air Force in close air support and nuclear strike role. The Jaguar was found to be long-range, fast, stable and effective strike aircraft in Indian Air Force service. The initial export version of Jaguar offered to India was underpowered, and Indian Air Force has to pursue for a new nav attack system called Darin that combines several technologies from France, UK and other sources. This system was more reliable and more precise than older Navas, and all Indian Air Force Jaguar had it as a standard. Another important upgrade was Maritime Strike version fitted with a radar and powerful British anti-ship missiles. The only real issue with Jaguar is about lack of power at altitude, especially with heavy ordnance on board. Indian Air Force planned for upgrading Jaguars with Darin 3 standard, which included modified avionics architecture, new cockpit with dual SMD, solid-state flight data recorder and solid-state video recording system, autopilot system, integration of new multi-mode radar. Engines were also upgraded to Adore Mk811. The Darin 3 upgrade has caused additional weight problems due to addition of new avionics radars, resulting in becoming the Jaguar further underpowered. Later, Indian Air Force took decision not to upgrade the engines due to budget problems. Initially, the new Adore 811 engine provided thrust of around 32.5 kilonewtons, but after about a decade of service, it dropped to barely 26 kilonewtons. This has posed a great challenge for Jaguar, and it's facing difficulty in carrying out demanding combat roles such as flying low and fast, deep penetration into enemy territory, bombing its ground target accurately in single pass, and then screaming back to base ahead of enemy interceptors. In these missions, survivability and speed is a key, which is driven by power. HAL was negotiating with Honeywell to retrofit F125IN turbofan engines into Jaguar to overcome its thrust issue, which generates an impressive thrust of 40 kN with afterburner. This would have made Jaguars operationally viable for another 2 decades. Honeywell quoted whopping $2.4 billion for 180 new F125IN engines. The cost of one engine will come around $13.3 billion or 95 crore rupees. Installation and integration of these engines will further bump up its price by 210 crores. This price is definitely very high for just engine upgrade, and almost 60% of the price of new Tejas Mk1, which is around 315 crore. Rolls-Royce has also proposed refurbishing the Jaguar's power plant by replacing worn-out engines and components with brand new replacement from Adore 871 engines. As per Rolls-Royce, some of the Adore 871 hardware was originally designed to be interchangeable with Mark 811 components at a module level, and many modules can be interchanged directly. As per technical white paper by Rolls-Royce, Mark 871 hardware were appropriate for the Mark 811 engine to help regain engine performance by almost 13 to 18%. The white paper is also confident of overcoming technical difficulties. Rolls-Royce has assured Indian Air Force that this prototype configuration has already been demonstrated on sea-level testbed at Rolls-Royce Bristol in the UK. The price of this upgrade has not yet been finalized. Now the bigger question mark hanging in front of Indian Air Force is price versus performance. If Indian Air Force does not consider the upgrade of its Jaguar fleets, it will have to start phasing them out by 2024. Indian Air Force currently operates 110 or 6 squadrons of Jaguar, which if not upgraded will become completely phased out by 2030. Another point to remember is that MiG-21s are also planned to be phased out by 2024. This is definitely not good news for Indian Air Force, which is already struggling with its depleting squadrons. If this gap has to be filled by Indian Air Force, it will have to at least spend $20 to $30 billion. As per HL, it's not a good idea to phase out Jaguars, which are integrated with sophisticated avionics to carry out all-weather air-to-ground, air-to-sea and air-to-air missions with latest navigation attack system and Darren 3 upgrades, making it far more potent and accurate fighter bomber than when it first came to India. It will enable Jaguar to carry out mission hundreds of kilometers away even in day and night condition with high accuracy. This was today's update. Please let us know what is your views about these in comment section. Feel free to post your comments and suggestions about any topic related to defense sector on which you want to hear from us. With this, I would like to say goodbye and Jai Hind friends. Please like and subscribe our video if you have not done already. We'll be soon back with more interesting and amazing development happening in defense sector.